up, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. Today I've got the WLTOYS 144001 on the bench here to do some upgrades. I got this a while back to do a review on, and it was crazy popular. Great little RC for the price, and it comes with a monster 550 and a little teeny buggy. And give you a look at that. So what I've got, I have the complete upgrade kit, basically taking every plastic part on the thing off and replacing it with full aluminum. Here we've got all the links, turnbuckles, which it does have metal links on there, but the ends are plastic, so it replaces all of those with the metal ends, metal ball ends. Get everything in there. Next I have the shock tower mounts. Now these was aluminum from stock, but these are much thicker and anodized. I did have a little problem. If you really have a bad wipeout, this was prone to bend just a little bit, and I did straighten it back out, so no real issue, but it did happen. This is the servo horn, servo saver, the whole servo assembly here. All aluminum. Next we have, looks like C-hub or a carrier. And we got another component. There's so much of it here. So we got the C-hub and the bearing carrier and turnbuckles, servo, and we'll have that for the front and the back. Aluminum arms, front and back. Little hex adapters here. More shocks. These came with aluminum shocks, aluminum bodies, aluminum caps. I just left, I believe, whatever stock oil came in them, and they haven't failed me at all. So, but these are fully red, and these are red and silver, so I don't know if there's going to be any difference in those besides the anodized bodies. Next we have the main chassis support, and I'm assuming that is a completely new center drive shaft. And there's still more. So here's what everybody was wanting when this first came out, was the metal spur gear, which took them a while to come out with it, and finally they did. It's been out a while now, but you do get metal spur gear and another pinion, which is probably the same size as the stock pinion. Okay, one thing with this, you get 0 instructions, so whenever you take screws out, try to remember, which it looks like every single part you get new hardware for, so you know, that will help, so at least you know what screws go with what parts. So just be aware that you get no instructions, so just try to remember where stuff came from when you are taking it apart, so you'll know how to put it back together. Two sets of bearings, well, two size bearings, a full set for the entire RC. There's our input gear, or spider gear, ring gear, I don't know, whatever people call these things. Dog bones. And I don't even know what the names of these are, but that's basically every part on the entire RC is going to be replaced with aluminum. So what I'm going to do is just hopper lapse this, get it done, and we'll come back and check it out once it's finished.
Don't stop. 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 Don't.
Alright guys, I just went ahead and kind of sped it up to the end. I know it gets boring just sitting watching somebody turn screws. So this is it completed. This is all the parts that comes in the kit to be replaced. Dog bones, links, mounts, arms, turnbuckles, chassis braces, shocks, bearings, just everything. And yeah, I mean, it went together pretty easy. There was no instructions, but pretty much just you know, take a part off and change it with the exact same thing, only metal. So try to give you a look at it here. Pretty much metal on the entire thing, except the diff housings are not metal. I'm not sure. I believe you can get those in metal, but I see no reason to, unless something would just happen, something broke or whatever, then I would go ahead and upgrade it with the metal. Still got to get the right shock fluid in here. These come with no fluid, of course, but they do hold fluid and hold pretty good. So I've not had, basically it's the exact same shock as the silver body. So yeah, I mean, it's the exact same thing with just the full red body. And these never have leaked on me, so I know these are going to be decent. So there you go. I will get a run video of it sometime soon. I've got other stuff in the works right now, but I will get this little thing out and get some more run footage. I just got to finish putting my electronics back in. Still running stock motor. That's going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like always, I will leave a link in the description with a coupon code for the complete kit. And you can also, once you're there, if you don't want the complete kit, you can get, just arms, just mount, shock towers, turnbuckles, C-hubs, whatever. But, I will leave the link and a coupon in the description. Check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. I want to thank Banggood for sending this out to me to do a review on. And that's going to wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.